What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to check if Microsoft Edge is up to date and how to install updates if it isn't. So very quick video, just go to the top right up here on the settings and more button right here with the three dots. So just click there and then click on settings. So at the bottom here, there's an about Microsoft Edge section. You're just going to want to click here and it'll check for updates. If there are available ones, there'll be a button for you to click to install them, and then it'll have to restart Microsoft Edge so the updates actually work for you. And then when you come back in after that, you'll see what I'm seeing right now. Microsoft Edge is up to date. So that's pretty much it. Very simple. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.